People, what's up? It's your girl Free the Rhymes, the one and only side chick, and you are watching Odate GHTV. Don't go nowhere. Mwah.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the Entertainment Bar Show right here on Odate GHTV. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be updated. Right, yeah, so this is started on a good note for Yaa Jackson as she has given birth to a bouncing baby boy, sharing the video online. Yeah, so Yaa Jackson a few days ago made headlines after it was reported that her longtime boyfriend finally married her in a customary marriage. Yeah, so in a video that went viral, Yaa Jackson was seen wearing a short white dress that looks rather big on her. This actually got people talking on social media. Some people suggested that perhaps she was pregnant, therefore the family had to quickly, organize so that they can get married, so that people will have it in their minds that she actually got married before getting pregnant. Also, in a video which actually was shared online by Yaa Jackson herself, she shared a video where you could hear a child crying at the background, and she also happily rejoicing over her baby's priceless smile and all. There's some messages also from her colleagues in the entertainment industry, and fans also have poured in on social media and also in the comment section of the video she posted. She actually posted a video and captioned it, "My best friend, my everything. Thank you, baby J, for making me a mama. Blessed and grateful for you." Okay guys, so watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your thoughts, comments and also congratulatory messages to Yaa Jackson as she's the freshest celebrity mother in town. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Shut up.